I've been using my black opal palm stone quite a bit, and yesterday I did channel some journaling with black opal. It has very powerful energies to help you do your manifesting, as well as face fear head on with courage and confidence. And I wanted to get a sense and put it into words how it is because when you have both very strong energies and you're working with fear and doubt for whatever reason, whatever experience or situation, how is that not then bringing in what you don't want when you're in that less than high vibe, right? In that place. And you can see I've got some incense going here as well. It's kind of cool. So without further ado, I'm going to share with you what was channeled yesterday morning or 2 days ago. Anyway, meeting black opal for the first time was magical. After researching black opal's metaphysical properties, I knew why I was guided to it. And these colors, sometimes they're dark, sometimes they're lighter, and it's fascinating, the different lines and the textures in here. So, one morning, a sense of fear was attempting to take hold of all my thoughts and emotions and tank my energy. I could sense a downward spiral. Telepathically, I asked my crystals, minerals, and stones which one wanted to help me dissolve fear and doubt. It was very clear. Black opal called to me. I held black opal in my left hand all during my morning journaling meditation. I wrote out everything. My conscious mind was determined to keep going in circles, looping into gloom and doom. When I finished my journaling meditation, I realized fear was replaced with a sense of calm. Black opal is stunning, high vibe, has an incredibly powerful energy without being overwhelming in any way. Because black opal is powerful energy amplifier, I wondered how it was possible to replace fear head-on without manifesting exactly what I didn't want. Black opal helped me put into words for all to understand the seeming dichotomy of amplifying our thoughts and emotions and dissolving fear. Yes, that would at first seem to be at odds with itself and the energies. Allow me to explain. When one is aware of fear in any form, and the focused intention is to heal through elimination of fear itself, no matter the situation or condition, the elimination of said fear is what has been manifested through you. So the elimination of fear is what has, or the fear is starting to manifest, and elimination is what we're manifesting, is the lack of or creating space. So I'm just going to read this one more without any more editorializing from me. And when I'm channeling, sometimes it's a little bit difficult for me to interpret or decipher my own handwriting because it's not exactly mine. Okay. And that's a topic for another time. Yes, that would at first seem to be at odds with itself and the energies. Allow me to explain. When one is aware of fear in any form, and the focused intention is to heal through elimination of fear itself, no matter the situation or condition, the elimination of said fear is what has been manifested through you. As fear dissipates, serenity begins to flow. Serenity is then magnified into a sense of peacefulness and harmony. It is then that which is truly desired becomes aligned with thought, emotion, and energy itself. This was your experience, was it not? Yes, each and every time. Where there is fear, there is also doubt. Where there is an absence of fear, there is hope, faith, trust, and clarity. Thank you, Black Opal. You are most welcome. So there you have it, as a good friend of mine says. This is what Black Opal offers, is the dissolving or elimination of, and I'm just going to take the ring light off so it doesn't have quite so much reflection on here. Black Opal creates a space within you by absorbing. So even when you hold it in your left hand, and I've taught many times that the left is receiving and the right is giving. So when you are wanting to cycle energies out, then you put your left hand up to Father Sky and your right hand down to Mother Earth. And so if we're receiving, so at the same time, this incredibly powerful Black Opal not only fills you with positive energy, it's also creating a vacuum so that it's pushing out the negativity through your right hand, no matter what you're doing. And at the same time, okay, it's absorbing into it. So it's kind of like creating a vacuum pulling out of you through your left while filling you with positive energies. And that morning, gosh, I think it was way before the current circumstances that are happening around our planet. And anytime you embark on something new, even though you've been thinking about it for a while, or there's a shift in your business, your life, your career, your energies, there's this, okay, now what kind of a feeling, at least there is for me. And I knew I wanted some help, so I picked up Black Opal after I had finished it. Okay, so which one of you guys, which one of you is the most helpful for right now? And it is, or was, Black Opal. And yes, this is the one from my personal collection, and I am very happy and grateful to have it, or it has me, whichever. All right. That's our sharing for today. Have an amazing day.